Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make any sound your alarm for your iPhone. So to start you need two apps, but before I tell you what those two apps are, if you're interested in Shopify and you don't want to pay $37 your first month, I can offer you that you pay only $1 your first month. So if you want that offer, use the link in the description. So you need two apps as I mentioned. So you need Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. You will both download them from the App Store. So search GarageBand and what was the name? Ringtone Maker. Then you need to get a MP3 or MP4 of the song you want to use. Now, for example, you can use TikTok, and if you click on the share and it has the option to save video, click on it and you can use that song. If it doesn't have it, unfortunately, you can't use the song. If you want any other song from any other artists, you have to buy their song, buy the rights to the song. Just go to the artist, buy the song and follow these steps I'm about to show you. So once you have bought your song or you got one from TikTok, you need to open up the Ringtone Maker app. Once you have opened it, you want to click on the plus button, import from video, and then select that MP3 or MP4 you have. Once you have it here, you want to click on it and then click on make. So this like bell icon. Click on make. From here, what you want to do, click on more if you don't see GarageBand here. Click on more and then scroll down until you see GarageBand. Then you want to click on it. Now, of course, make sure that you have both installed before you start doing this. Now that it's uploaded, you want to click on it, and here it is. Here you can play around with it, make it shorter, cut the beginning, cut the end, cut in the middle, like you can do whatever. And once you're done, on the top left, click on the arrow. This will pop up, click on My Songs. Now that that has been done, you want to click select at the top right corner and select that song. Tap on share on the bottom left and click on ringtone. Then click continue because the ringtone needs to be 30 seconds or less. If it's not, it will automatically just cut it from the back till it's 30 seconds. Then you want to give that ringtone a name. So I'll just call this one, I don't know, Brooke. You can say Brooke Alarm or Brooke whatever. And once you're done, you want to click export at the top right. Now that you have done that, you want to open your clock app and go to the alarm. On the top right, click on the plus icon. And as you can see under sound, we have Brooke. So you just want to click on Brooke and that song will wake you up. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below and I'll help you out. Also, if you want to get Shopify for only $1 your first month instead of paying $37, click the link in the description.